going on, guys? Welcome back to the Apartment Maintenance channel. Today we're going to be replacing a door slab. Here's a door I pulled off a bedroom. You can see where it's cracked right there. So we got a new door slab right here ready to go. Just going to take the door handle and the hardware off the old door, and then we'll lay it on top of the new one here, and we'll make all our marks for our knob and our hinges, and we'll get it cut. So let me go ahead and remove all the hardware off this door, and we'll lay it down. We'll get everything cut. Alright, we got our old door laid out on top of the new door, and we'll just go ahead and draw a line where we need to make our cuts. I'll go ahead and draw the circle here for the doorknob. Alright, now we'll come down here. We'll mark where our latch will go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and drill out the hole for the doorknob. Come around the other side and come up through. Gotta get a little more. Okay, we got our knob drilled out. Alright, now I'm going to pull the clamps off, take the old door off the top, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the top and the side here. That way we can get our hinges marked on the door where it's going to be. And then we'll come around this side and we'll mark the spot here for the latch. Alright, let's go ahead and cut the top. Alright, got the door all cut. Then I took the planer over the edge, get a real nice smooth edge to it. So now we'll go ahead and mark the hinges, and then we'll finish cutting out the strike plate here, or for the latch. Got that all marked, so we'll go ahead and drill that out and do the hinges. And we'll get the router and we'll go ahead and trace this line out. Alright, we got the hinges on. So now we'll flip it over. So we got the old Ryobi router here. Going to use that to cut out where the latch goes. down a little deeper. This was the setting from the hinges, so this here is a little bit deeper, so let me adjust the router. Okay, we got the right depth now, and in order to get your right depth for this, just use your old door, set the router inside there where the latch goes, and adjust it. Best way to do it. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get the doorknob on. And we'll get ready to put a coat of paint on it, then we'll go hang it. Alright, there's the door. Open. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.